Good morning everyone. Hope you all are well at home. Students, please open your SST book at page number 18. Today we will continue this chapter, the Great Indian Desert. Now let us learn the vegetation of the desert. Read with me. The third desert has little vegetation due to the lack of water in this area. Date palm can be seen growing near the springs. Plants which grow in this area require little water. Thorny shrubs, cactus, kikar and babul are the common varieties of plants found here. So, due to the lack of water, there is little vegetation in the third desert. Date palms can be seen growing near the springs. Hence, thorny shrubs, cactus, kikar and babul are the common varieties of plants found in the third desert. To solve the problem of irrigation, the government has built a long canal called the Rajasthan Canal or the Indira Gandhi Canal. This greatly helps in the cultivation of crops in the area. So the government has built a long canal to solve the problem of irrigation. The Indira Gandhi Canal greatly helps in the cultivation of crops. Now let us learn the life in the desert. Life in the third desert is difficult and full of hardship. People have to travel long distance to find water. Many people living in this desert are nomads. Nomads move from place to place carrying their belongings throughout their life. Camels are the main means of transportation in the deserts. The camel is called the sheep of desert. Most of the settlements in the desert are found near oases. Many villages have developed in the area. Sheep rearing and cultivation are the main occupations of the people in this area. Nomads mean people without fixed habitation. A nomad is a member of a community without fixed habitation which regularly moves to and from the same area. We know camels are the main means of transportation in desert. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. Even most of the settlements in the desert area found near oases. Main occupations of the people in this area are sheep rearing and cultivation. Remember student, Rajasthan has the largest number of sheep in India. So the largest number of sheep are found in Rajasthan. Bikaner is the biggest wool center in India. Where is the biggest wool center in India? Bikaner. Bikaner is the biggest wool center in India. The third desert has some important historical buildings and tombs. Bikaner, Suratgarh and Jaisalmer are the main towns of the area. Bikaner, Suratgarh and Jaisalmer are the main towns in the third desert. Did you know? A wheat farm at Suratgarh in Rajasthan is the largest farm in our country. So, wheat farm at Suratgarh in Rajasthan is the largest farm in our country. Now, let's in brief. The Great Indian Desert extends from the Aravallis to the border of Pakistan. The third desert consists of both rocks and sand. It has an extreme type of climate with little or no rainfall. Luni is the only river which flows through the third desert. Come to next page. The Indira Gandhi Canal greatly helps in the cultivation of crops. There is little vegetation in the third desert. The camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Students, read the lesson very carefully and memorized. Hope this is clear to you. If you have any problem, you can call me. Bye students. See you in the next class.